Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. Today I am going to teach you English grammar class 1 chapter 7 articles A, N and D. So these three are the articles that today we learn this article. So students, take out your grammar textbook. Now students, open the page number 32, chapter 7 A and the article. So let's look at the picture and read the words below. So first of all, we understood these articles with the help of these pictures. So first picture is egg. So an egg, an ant, here is the ant, a woman, a ball, an owl, a house. So what do you notice here, students? We notice here that the vowel sound is there. When the vowel sound is there, we have used an article. So which vowel are here? A, E, I, O, U. We have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. When the words begin with this 5 vowel, we have to use an articles. And okay. So what do you notice here? A is used before words that begins with consonant sound. So here the woman, house and the ball is start with the consonant sound. That's why we have used a article. Now the next one, a is used before words that begin with vowel sound. N is used. So the vowel sound is here in the eggs, ant and the owl. So the vowel sound, so how many vowels we have? 5 vowels. So remember that vowels A, E, I, O, U. At that time you have to use an article. Understood? Okay students, so for A and N article I have prepared one more exercise, that is the extra exercise. So let's do it. So first one is pen, a pen, boy, a boy. So these two consonant sound is there, that's why we have put a. Angel, an angel, ant, an ant. So here the vowel sound is there, that's why we have put n. Car, a car, ear, an ear, aeroplane, an aeroplane, cup, a cup, alarm, an alarm, pineapple, a pineapple, cap, a cap, and last one is anchor, and last an anchor. So students, this is the extra example that I have give for A and N articles. Now students, let's do the textbook exercise number 1. Okay, this exercise is extra, this is not in your textbook. Now we will do the textbook exercise. So see the textbook exercise. See the first exercise of this lesson, that is fill in the blanks with the articles A or N. So look at the 4 picture is given. Now you can understand which article we have to use here. When the vowel is there, you have to use an article, and when the consonant word is there, at that time you have to use a article. So look at this first picture. This is the clock. So clocks begins with the consonant sound. So here the a is used, a clock. Now apple, so a is the vowel, that's why we have to put an apple. Elephant, so e is the vowel, so that's why n is used, so an elephant. And the b is the consonant, that's why we have used a article. So a clock, an apple, an elephant and a butterfly. So students, this type of exercise will come in your exam also. So do properly while you are writing in your grammar textbook. Now let's do the exercise number 2. Complete these sentences with a or n. Now the sentence is here, so we have to use articles a and n. So look at the first one. Dash monkey lived on dash tree. So when we use the, here the monkey is the consonant, that's why we have used a article here. So when the the sentence start here, that's why we have to write the article A capital. A monkey lived on a tree. So tree, here's the consonant sound, that's why here A is used. Now second one, can you give me a pen please? So here we have used a pen. So pen is the consonant sound. The third one, grasshopper and ant met in a farm. So a grasshopper, capital A, first letter is that. So grasshopper is the consonant sound, that's why A article is used, and an ant. So ant is the vowel sound, that's why N is used. In a farm, so where they met in a farm, that's why A is used. Now the fourth one, owl and cat went to the sea. So owl is the vowel sound, that's why N is used. So an owl and cat went to the sea. Fifth one, it is a balloon or a ball. So balloon and the ball is the consonant sound, that's why A article is used. It is a balloon or a ball. Sixth one, N is an old woman. So how is the an old woman? So O is the old is the vowel sound here. O is the vowel sound there. That's why N is used. So Annie is an old woman. Now student, turn the page number 34 in your grammar textbook. So here the article is used. How to use the article? So let's see the example first. The sun is shining today. There is only one sun. So look at this sun. So the sun is only one. So students, look at this note here. We use the articles when there is only one of a things. When the things is only one, at that time we are using the articles. So here the sun is only one. That's why here before the sun we have used the article, the sun. Now the next picture is about the moon. So let's see. The moon shines at night. So there is only one moon. We can see the only one moon in the sky. That's why we have used the article. The third one, earth. Picture of earth is given. So the earth is round. How is the earth? It's a round. There is only one earth. So there is only one earth. That's why we have used the article. Now look at this picture. This is the picture of universe. There are many stars in the universe. So the universe is one, that's why we have used the article here. So there is only one universe. So students, remember this note and underline this note in your textbook, that we use the when there is only one of a things. Now students, we will do the exercise of number 3 about the articles, the a, an and the article. Exercise 3, fill in the blanks with a, an or the article. So the 3 articles are combined here. So we have to select the proper article in proper place. So let's see, this picture is about the moon. So which article will come here? The moon. So the moon is only one, that's why we use the articles. Look at this picture. This is the umbrella. So which vowel sound is there? That's why umbrella is a vowel. U vowel is there. That's why we write here an umbrella. Then star. So a star. Consonant is there. Giraffe. A giraffe. Orange. Vowel is there. That's why an orange. Bed. Consonant sound is there. That's why a bed. Aeroplane. So here the vowel sound is there. That's why we write an aeroplane. And the last one, the sun. The sun is only one. That's why we write the sun. So like that, you can write the moon, an umbrella, a star, A giraffe, an orange, a bat, an aeroplane, and the last one the sun. So students, you have to fill these blanks with articles, that is a and n the article. So this type of exercise will also come in your exam. So picture will be given and the articles will be given. So you have to put the articles in proper place. You have to write the vowels and you have to see the vowels and the consonants, and then after you have to fill the articles. And when the things are only one, at that time you have to fill the articles, the articles. So students, our chapter number 7 of the grammar, articles a and n, they are finished here. Now in our next video we will do the next chapter. So students, till then, bye students. Thank you. Have a nice day.